The economy is extremely unstable right now. At some point, I don't know when, at some point there is going to be a crash. There is going to be a recession. And as Warren Buffett says, that is when the tide will come in and we will see who was swimming naked the whole time and who wasn't. And when I say swimming naked, I mean there's a lot of people right now online who are making money simply because they happen to be in the right place at the right time. They don't really have the talent or the skill. They just, they realize like maybe it's a pretty girl and she has 500,000 followers on Instagram. And she realized that if I just pull my shirt down a little bit and I take a picture holding tea and then I post it, I make $1,000, right? And I'm making good money right now. When the economy crashes, that money is going to disappear. Those companies are not going to have $1,000 to give for a pretty girl to take a picture with tea. It's just that's the first thing to go. And the people who are going to survive and frankly thrive in those crashes are the ones who have the skills, right? When the economy is slowing down, the people who always lose money are the people who don't know how to make money. That's it, right? It's the ones who don't know how to make money and have been reliant on others, dependent. They're the ones who get hurt, unfortunately. But the ones who know how to make money, AKA they know how to write words that get cash. They know how to close deals and get clients. And they know how to speak and attract an audience in front of them. They are the people who are going to do just fine when the economy crashes. Their business is going to be great. For them, there won't be a crash. For them, there won't be a recession. For them, they'll probably do better because a lot of their competitors who are kind of getting by and kind of just taking a little bit of market share right now are going to fade away. I can't wait. There's going to be so many influencers who are going to disappear, right? I know a lot of you see ads with Lambos right now and you're tired of the Lambos. Oh, I see our fucking Lambos. Everyone's got a Lambo in an ad. You should enjoy the Lambo ads because 2 years from now, all those people are going to be gone. They're just going to be gone. You're not going to see them anymore. You're not going to see any more Lambos. You're going to wake up one day 2 years from now and go, God damn, I wish I could see a Lambo. I miss the good old days when everyone had a Lambo in their ad. And now no one's got a Lambo. Now they got a Schwinn. Everyone's riding a Schwinn in their ads because that's all they can afford, right? They're not here in their garage. They're here in the back corner street, dark alley. Man, I miss the good old days when it was garages and Lambos and models. What happened? The economy happened, silly. I can't wait. All right, I can't wait. The ones who master the high income skills are the ones who will thrive when everyone else is struggling. You will, if you develop these skills now, you will have the ammunition to sweep up massive amounts of market share when that economy crashes because you will be the one who is getting in front of the customers. You'll be the one who is saying the sweet words in their ear that they want to hear that will convert them from prospects to buyers. And you will be the one who will know how to close the sales and to send them up your value ladder. You're the one who's going to know how to do it. They won't. We are going to be talking about copyboarding. Everyone just say that at home. Say out loud. Say copyboarding. Last October, maybe last November, I was on a phone call, that's me, with a friend of mine who we call Mr. X. All right, now Mr. X is he's like the highest ranked copywriter at Agora Financial, right? And he goes, all right, so he goes, the formula we use at Agora is the first thing we do is we are going to figure out what is the hook, right? You call it the lead, you call it the hook, whatever you want, we get the hook. Once we figure out the hook, then the next thing we have to do is we need to figure out the story, right? And we craft the story. And then he goes, once we have that, and we figured out the hook, we figured out the story, because the next thing we do, and this is all we do at Agora Financial, and this takes up, literally, he goes, the offer is down here. But the thing that really gives us a huge advantage is what we do in this section here where it's open, copyboarding. I go, dude, I've never heard of copyboarding. What is that? Explain that to me. And he goes, it's a technique pioneered by his boss, the CEO of Agora, named Joe Schreifer. So I know Joe will be speaking at the High Status Summit, and he is an unbelievable copywriter, marketer, and entrepreneur. He says, so when we're selling this copy badass thing, what do you think one of the objections someone will have to the idea? I thought about it, and I said, well, I think the idea that they don't need copy might be an objection. Someone listening who maybe is just starting their online business, they might go, Jason, Mr. X, I don't need copy. I just need traffic. I need traffic. Very fair objection. I totally understand. Here's the thing. Here's what me and Ryan realized. Copy is how you get traffic. You write good copy that converts, your ads convert, your offer converts. All of a sudden, getting traffic is easy because you can actually afford to pay for the traffic. How am I able to do that? Do you think I'm just blowing the money? No. I spend $6,000 that day. I make $6,000 back the very same day. Now I've gotten 100 to 150 new customers for free. And now those customers, I can build a relationship with them. I can offer them more relevant products and services. I can monetize. And that is all profit after that point. But all of that happens because my shit converts. It converts because of copy. Copy is how you get the traffic. Now, let me know in the chat who here understands that, okay, Jason, you're right. I need copy before I can get traffic. Give me a guess if you get that now. Okay, good. A lot of people who didn't get that before 2 minutes ago, they get that now. That's perfect. You go, makes sense. Fantastic. Here's what I just did to you. I just copyboarded you. You all just got copyboarded. Mr. Miyagi, you didn't even know it. It happened.
Hey, why don't you have the time you want for yourself yet? Why does your job keep letting you down? It's because you haven't developed the high income skills yet to create your own high income empire for yourself and your family. So at the link below, you now have me as your personal mentor completely free for the next 7 days. You have a free username and password. I'm gonna get started with you right away. And if you love it, it's only $10 a month after that. All right, you pay more for Spotify, and I promise you Spotify is not gonna change your life and your business the way that this can. I'm not gonna do this forever. So hit that link and come join us inside right now.